Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to copy your wallet ID to your clipboard on the blockchain wallet application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should click on the home button down below on the left side corner of the screen, and after that you should click on this more button at the top. Then click on this profile icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Here you can see the profile section, and the second option is wallet ID, so tap on it, and here as you can see it's sensitive information. There's a warning in the middle of the screen, so you should be careful copying it. So if you want to copy it to your clipboard, all you have to do is clicking on this copy to clipboard button down below, and then you will be able to paste your wallet ID. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.